Hello everyone, friends. PLO's Donate. How can you place items on the stand in the game? We will learn this. We click on the three dots located in the bottom right corner. We enter into the Create section. We click on Public written in green to enter. We click on the three lines in the top left corner. We drag the screen downward. We click on Passes. Create a pass. On this screen, we are giving a name to the new item we are about to create. You may choose not to write a description. I leave it up to you. And we create the pass. Pass created successfully. Your new item has been successfully created. Click on it to select. We click on the three lines in the top left corner. Sales. Item for sale. Price of the product for sale. Save changes. Pass updated successfully. We click on the three lines in the top left corner. Back to experiences. We drag the screen downward. Passes. Please donate. We have created the item to place on the donation stand. Let's log into the game. Close with X. Home. PL's Donate. Play. Now, let's find an empty stand and log in. Friends, our video ends here. I hope it has been helpful for you. Please don't forget to like our video, subscribe, and leave a comment. I appreciate your respect. Take very good care of yourselves. Goodbye.